everyone, welcome to PhotoSprouts. My name is Christina Cito and I'm the founder of PhotoSprouts. I created PhotoSprouts because I want to help everyone take amazing pictures by providing them with the equipment. It's happy to see the flowers blooming everywhere. I'm super excited every morning when I wake up to see the buds start to flourish. And after my breakfast, I always grab my camera to take pictures of the flowers from different angles. And I want to show you how. So in this class, I'm going to show you how to find the best and the softest lighting to make your flowers images stand out. And don't go, Max. Come here, stay with me. Okay. I will also show you how to control the depth of field, work on your composition, and gather the right gears. And finally, I will also demonstrate how you can edit your pictures in Lightroom and Photoshop, and that will make your final product brilliant. So after this class, if you have any questions, please feel free to shoot me an email or give me a call. Please hashtag PhotoSprouts and share your work on social media. So enjoy and stay safe!